Okay, I'm on Street 130. Let's have a look at this hotel, the Phuminh Hotel Riverside. I think that's what it's called. Right on Street 130. Steps away from Riverside, right across from the Cowgirl Bar and all these bars here, as you can see. Wondering if they have a room here available for me to look at. Let's have a look, man. Let's see, I'll show you this breakfast menu they got. Doesn't say the prices. Too bad. Cool architecture though.
One of these.
Deluxe Premium Superior Room, eh?
Yes.
Superior Room is $38 US?
Yes, include breakfast.
All including breakfast.
Yes.
Can I have a look at it?
Yes.
If that's possible. Do you have a swimming pool here?
Swimming pool we under renovate, but you can still go up to sit there and looking for the view.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's a renovation right now.
Yes.
But you do have a pool. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll have a look.
Okay. So what do you want to see for?
The Superior Room is good.
Okay. Wait.
So that's with breakfast, $38. Tiny room. This is like 18 square meters. Safe deposit box. Small fridge.
Yes.
Oh, that's very small. I've never seen a fridge that small, but it's okay. It's okay, I do.
Oh, it's okay.
I do YouTube. So I'll put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You have small window.
Small window, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, you got a view from Riverside though. That's kind of cool. It's quiet here? Or a little bit noisy? I think quiet, huh?
Yes.
A little bit quiet. Have Netflix and YouTube?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's good. You have a safe deposit box.
Yeah.
Free Wi-Fi,
Yes.
aircon.
Yes.
Okay. Guest friendly?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. We'll go see Skyboard. Okay, so she told me you cannot look at the Skyboard right now because she doesn't have the card for it or whatever. There's like they're doing renovations, but once the renovations are done, they have a pool up there and they have a sky bar with food and drinks you can order, and it's open till 11 p.m. she told me. This is a good area to stay in. It's $38 a night. She told me on agoda.com it's actually cheaper, so you check out agoda.com, you get cheaper rates. That was a Superior Room. Very tiny room. It's like 18 square meters. I mean, this is a good hotel to stay in if you're here for a couple nights, 3-4 nights. It's in a great area if you want to be stuck right here in the heart of the nightlife area, right on Street 30, right Riverside. So hope you enjoyed that video, and please subscribe to Batay Slamma and check out my Patreon for full throttle videos, my Instagram as well, my TikTok, and enjoy your life, man. Cheers.